PRADA recently launched a new sleek metal safety pin brooch priced at $775, which is approximately 69,000 Indian rupees. Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how quickly and easily you can make this pin brooch and save thousands of rupees. For making this pin brooch, what we need is safety pins. I'm going to use 1.2 mm crochet hook, we will need some charms, I'm going to use anchor knitting cotton shaded colors, we need pair of scissors. I'm going to use fabric glue. I will need a darning needle also. Let's get started. I have weaved in the charm in the thread and put required number of knots. Now I am holding 3 strands together, 2 small strands which I will weave in and 1 red shaded red color. I am starting my work with green thread. The simple trick of this project is 3 stitches with each color. So I'm starting with green, 1, 2, first 2 stitches I'm putting in the circle of the pin, and the third one I will put it on the side of the pin. Now the trick is, in the third stitch we are changing the color. So I have pulled up loop with green color, but I am finishing it with red. Now I will hold green color and work with red color. See this. Now next 3 stitches are going to be with red. So stitch number 1, stitch number 2, and third one I am pulling up loop with red, but I am finishing it with green. Again next 3 stitches with green, So stitch number 1, 2, third one I'm taking the loop with green but finishing with red. So this is my loop and I'm going to finish it with red. Now next 3 stitches again red, one, 2, and third one I will finish with green. Now last 3 stitches with green and I am done with the pin. 1, 2, and this being the last stitch on the pin, I am going to finish it with green only. Pull up a loop and cut the yarn. I will weave in these 2 strands, put some glue, and my pin is ready.